Mzari mayam han boina lockdown matungda I sani sima pan puthoreni mirakta puthopati yadabanina koi chaibaga yenghangena mayam sing view last phawta surprise amasu thamjari.
That's so good, no? Is the mountain good?
Really nice.
Outstanding.
That's really good.
Let's go that side. This one,
This one looks more nice. That doesn't look nice. Okay.
Glory, wait. Wait, you know what is this? Wait a bit. Stop it. Stop it. Don't go too far. You know what is this? You know?
Nas ni moin he se ngasi ti he pami leramdre amathak thau ni moin thari si.
Where are we climbing, Glory? Oh my god. Không tạo cái này à? Start rồi phải không? Wow, bro. Is it good?
Becoming nice. Becoming more.
Is it good?
Yeah, kind of not.
It's beautiful. Michael, Glory, wait. This looks so good. What?
Where we are going now?
We're going down. Let's go. Did you know where are we?
The way?
No, the same way. Come in front of me.
Coming.
No, that's fine. Find the way, you know, where it is.
I don't know. That's the mystery solved. I think this is the way.
I don't think so.
This is the way.
Or this is the way. No, it's that way. Oh my god. That's not disgusting.
It is.
It is beautiful. It's nature. Kasi ko.
Looking up.
It looks so good. Asi yung mountain la isang maninda. There, in there.
It's a mountain.
Yeah, that's
Cool.
good, no?
Ow.
The clouds are also beautiful.
Yeah.
See there in the back?
I don't want to.
Why?
My feet are hurting.
Oh my god, oh my god.
This is a bad place.
It's a mountain.
I know it's a mountain, that's why I don't like it. I like it from the tour, but not from the far.
Pass and sneer,
Ooh.
you mean to say?
Yeah. Yeah, going more down.
Oh my.
He's
Go.
fucking me. This is good to get off place. You can do it, come. No.
Oh, this place. We got here. So we're down from there, huh, Glory?
Your eyes are looking weird.
Whose eyes? It's eyes.
The eyelashes is so big. Oh, I don't like this place.
Ah!
I kind of like it. I kind of. So big.
Ooh. This whole place is so much nice. And that's...
It's like down.
Come here. Oh,
Like the cocos.
that's so much flat land, no?
So beautiful.
The flat land is so much, no?
Oh, that's a big tree. That's so big. Disgusting.
But
can see-
farmers like it.
I know, but I don't like it.
Hi.
Oh, birds! Why the birds are not going?
See, there's a coco.
Oh, to see that coco. Hello. I like that coco. That one. That. We can go near it.
Let me see.
Let him over here. Yeah, we are coming. See that coco.
Ooh.
Look cool. Oh my god, I have seen a coco that's alive. First
Oh,
time.
that's in reality, you mean to say?
No,
Hello.
first time.
Hello. Hello, where are you going?
You're looking scary.
You're going, you're running.
Hey, see them right there. They're running weirdly. No, what happened to them? Stop it. Oh. He barking. So weird too. He's like, yay, yay, yay. See though. See. He's like, hey.
See the yellow white one.
It's a white coco. Weird. Ooh.
Why are you digging?
Down the tea.
Tea?
Oh, it's an It's my first night out with you. Treat me right and buy me shoes. Let me be your fantasy. Play with me. I wanna be your girl. Just give me some time, I'll be ready. Do my makeup, bathe in my perfume. Quick shower won't take too long. I'll be done, just sing this song. So wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse for the design. Let's build it out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse for the design. Let's build it out of sticks and twine. pull it out of the sticks and stones. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic. Wrap me in plastic. You can call me mine. You can call me mine. Just give me some time, I'll be ready. Quick shower won't take too long. Just give me some time, I'll be ready. Quick shower won't take too long. Just sing this song, so wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse for their design. Let's build it out of sticks and join. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic. You can call me mine. I can call you master, you can call me mine.
Subscribe to Subscribe to free. Thank you from Zari.